Hello students, Miss Reuter here, and Julia, my cat, is also here, and we are going to practice our letter sounds. So first, we're going to practice our letter sounds, and I want you to pay very close attention because all of these letters are letters that make sounds that we're going to use to make words later on. But before we do that, we're going to practice the sounds. Make sure you are practicing at home while I'm saying them here. Let's get started. You ready, Julia? That's right, she's ready. S says S. L says L. J says J. E says F. B says B. W says W. R says R. T says T. O says aw. G says G. P says P. D says D. U says N says N. Now this one is an R blend. FR says fur. Now sometimes blends are tricky, so what we're going to do is brainstorm some more words that start with FR. FR says fur, like frog. Can you think of some more FR words? I'm gonna get my dry erase board and we're gonna brainstorm some more words that start with FR. Frog. Frog. Free. Free. From. From. Friend. Friend. Now for a special double FR word. French fry. Yum. Now that we've practiced our letter sounds, we are going to move into word families. We're going to practice 3 different word families. So get ready. The first word family we're going to use is E-T. Et. Et. Now let's add on some beginning sounds. P, E, T. Pet. N, E, T. Net. W, E, T. Wet. J, E, T. Jet. Et. The next we're going to do is O-G. Og. Og. D-O-G. Dog. Now for that F-R. F-R-O-G. Frog. L-O-G. Log. J-O-G. Jog. og. Now for our last blending exercise, we're going to use un. Un. Sun. Run. Bun. Fun. Great job, everyone. I hope that you had fun, and thanks for learning with me today.